Eh, eh, Beep, 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 beep. This message is a problem from this headquarters. This is not a test. King Dedede is stealing all the food from other people's. Read the instructions I'm saying. Close your doors and windows. If you have a basement, go downstairs. If you have a secret room, go into it. If you're stuck outside, go to the shelter. That'll be safe. If you have a loved one or a friend with you, do not go in there. One last thing. Get your snacks and bring to the basement or the shelter. What matter you what? You'll be safe. You'll be safe. You'll be safe. Go outside and bring your snacks. You'll be safe. You'll be safe. You'll be safe. You'll be safe.